So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will say you that how to open the rear mudguard of Hero Optima. So first of all you need to open this panel. So there will be two screws over here like this. These two screws. Open it with the screwdriver on that side also. So then you just need to push it like this. It will come in your hand. If you will open it in the first time, it will be little tight. Open it carefully. And then over here also there will be two screws. You need to open them also. And then what you need to do is, let me tell you. So you will be needing a 4 or 5 mm Allen key. I am not knowing that which number this Allen key is, but it could be 4 or 5. So you need to open the Allen key bolts and just take out your grab rail like this. So I have opened my grab rail and how the scooter looks now. So over here you can see a lot of wiring is there. Just leave that wiring, don't touch it. And over here you can see one clamp. Wait a minute, let me hold it properly. You can see this clamp holds the mudguard. So first of all you need to open these two screws on the sides. There is no screws, but there will be these two screws like this on this side and that side. You need to open that two screws, and then what you need to do is you need to open more 4 bolts or 2 bolts according to your scooter model. You need to open these two bolts and these two bolts on that side also. And after opening them, you just need to push your scooter's body like this. Like this you need to push it. After pushing it, you just need to do this. Wait a minute. Push it like this till the end, and then just grab this like this. Wait a minute, let me tell it properly to you, because it takes little bit of time, but still it opens. Wait a minute. Then what you need to do is do it like this. Just grab it like this and then just push the mudguard. This is kind of tough for me also, but still it does opens because I have opened it several times like this. Then you need to push it on this side. Okay, so like this it will come out. Wait, let me show you on this side. It is truly little bit tough. You need to just push the body like this and then just take it out. After taking out this one piece, you need to know that there is no gapping. That's why what you need to do is just push it like this. So this part will come little bit down and this part will not come. So you need to push it like this, then it will come in your hand. But don't take it out like this, otherwise the bracketing could break, and if the bracketing will break, then you can't put the mudguard properly. If you will put it with the screws also on this bracket, wait, let me show that bracket to you, this bracket, then also it will vibrate. So first of all you need to push it hard till up, and then just take this thing, I mean the mudguard spacing like this, and then just push it on the top. And then what you need to do is just see. first of all, one thing I have to, not told you, that this thing has a little bit of space, so you need to push it hard up, then you need to take it on the outside like this. It will come out. Little bit of breaking sound could come, but it doesn't breaks anything. And like this the mudguard will come out. So let me tell it properly to you. This all happens for this sound comes for this. Nothing breaks in your body. You need to put it like this, but still this thing is of fiber. If this thing breaks, then you can put it on this thing, and if you don't want any vibration, you can put a nut. Don't put a screw, put a nut, and then just close it like this. Put it like this, then just squeeze it like this, and then when it comes till here, just slap it and it will get inside. So let me show the look to you, and here is the mudguard out. So all these things happens, let me tell you, for, wait a minute, this gapping you can see for this clamp, this gapping, for this gapping the mudguard doesn't comes out. So what you need to do is, first of all, take one side of it like this, just hold it on upper side, on the upper side, and then just do this thing like this, then the mudguard will come out of one side. Then just you need to, for this clamp which comes out, wait, let me show that clamp to you. This clamp, you need to take it out like this, little bit, don't push it hard, then something could break. And then after that, one more which you will see, like this you need to do it, and then just little bit of force you need to give it like this. Wait, let me show you. Like this you need to open it, then only, wait, let me show you once more. Like this it would be, you need to take it like this will come out, and little bit of sound it could produce, but still it's okay. Then just pack it, and let me show you the looks. Little bit of the scooter is gotten dusty. It looks totally awesome, and if you have a tail tidy, then do put it. I think I would make a tail tidy video on this, but still I am not getting a proper tail tidy, that's why I have not made it. But still I will make it, I think so, but still I am not sure. So guys, this was all for today's video, and I hope that you all have understand it. And if you have not understand it, or if you are having any queries, then you can obviously ask me in the comment section. So bye guys, I will see you in the next video. And then just wrap it up. Wait, let me show you. And this much of gapping could come, so you just need to bang on it, and it is nothing to worry. And you just need to put the screws inside of these two brackets, and you need to put the grab rail in. Wait, let me put the grab rail, and then just tighten up the screws, and the all work is good. But still it is not safe for rainy season, obviously. So bye guys, I will see you in the next video.